I'm John Jamar. I'm the president of CCI Systems out of Iron Mountain, Michigan. Due diligence before a network acquisition is important, even more important today than in the past. A lot of the networks that are being purchased are older second and third tier towns, or networks serving older second and third tier towns that haven't been upgraded yet. It is important to consider both the acquisition cost and the cost to upgrade the network to provide the kinds of services that will drive the revenues that are in the plans for these systems. Today, the capital cost for the upgrade can be as much or more than the acquisition cost. It's important to consider the details of the networks, considering both. Our customers are looking at a network where due diligence would include reviewing the miles of plant, number of homes passed, the types of cables, types of electronics, the distance between separate towns. These are the kinds of things that are important to know when acquiring a network. But more than that, they're important to know when you're considering plans to upgrade the network to provide the business driving services that are necessary in the business model. The kinds of things that we look at are what kinds of upgrade options are available. When a customer asks us to help them with due diligence, we get information that helps both on the upgrade and the acquisition. The detail that's known will reveal at least one option for an economically based upgrade. They will consider a master head end, consolidation of head ends, interconnect fiber, upgrade of access networks, and placement of fiber both for residential and commercial services deployments. We can provide budgetary information that's normally 5 to 10%, within a range of 5 to 10% of what the actual upgrade cost will be for the network. So the good news is that a customer can see both the acquisition cost and the upgrade cost for capital to then place in a model that shows the revenues generated by the new services that network can now provide both to commercial and residential customers. As a fair and reasonable business model, it gives them a good rate of return in a reasonable time frame. In the past, operators have purchased large numbers of systems, sometimes in multiple states. It becomes very difficult to get detailed due diligence information on outside plant and head ends for all the different systems. And that can lead to an economic or a less than economic upgrade where it's standardized across multiple systems. What we like to do is get specific information on each system for a customer so they can customize what's done town by town to ensure that the most economical and affordable upgrade is done that still ensures that reliable quality signals can be provided for triple play or more for their customer base, both commercial and residential. The field work can take a few weeks depending on the number of systems being acquired and the geography involved. We then provide a report that will show the status of the systems, the materials, and the labor necessary for various options, if there is more than one option, for the upgrades that can bring these systems up to speed to provide the kind of services, both residential and commercial, that our customer would be wanting to put out there.